All right, everyone. So let's talk about the playing test. And this is the final component of your online lesson. If we go back to in person, we will do this in class, but you can also do it at home. So if you don't have an instrument at home, what you can do is do the virtual violin. And I'm going to show you how to do that first. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with a real instrument at home. Okay? So first thing I want you to do is open up we're going to assume you don't have an instrument at home. And what you're going to do is open this app. I'm on a MacBook and I have an app called Magnet. If you are on a Chromebook or Windows 10, this will occur automatically. You're going to grab this tab from Google Tone and you're going to snap it to the other side of your screen. The screen where the playing test is going to be the other half of the screen. So you're going to do the same thing, grab it, snap it. Now you might be wondering, where is my stuff? And what you need to do is minimize this window. And then here you go. Next thing I want you to do right now is practice. So we're going to practice with the virtual violin. Go ahead and hit play. And as you can see on the virtual violin, there is one very important step that you have to do. And at the very bottom, you have to turn on the volume or you may not hear anything, okay? So go back up, and this one's E, this one's A, this one's D, this one's G. That's exactly how it is on the real violin. So let's practice with our playing test video. You can hit play, and what happens is it's going to play the note first, and when you get to this note, you play along with the virtual violin. Ready, go. Ready, go. Now, if you're paying attention, I wasn't on this screen soon enough, and then I didn't make a sound, right? So when you come over here and hit play, you have to click back into the screen for it to make sound. If you don't, it won't make a sound. See that? Okay, so let's do the playing test. What you're going to do is open up this screencastify link. You're going to hit record. Your webcam is going to pop up over here. And this is very important. Make sure you click on this so the share button happens, and then you'll get a countdown. Here I am. Hello. And what I need you to do is go back here, click on that, go ahead and go to the beginning of the video. Make sure to click here. Go. Here we go. Very good, very good. So that is it. It's that simple. And then you go back to here, you stop your recording, and then you have the option to start over if you don't like it. And if you do like it, you can submit it, okay? So quickly, let's do what we're going to do. I'm going to hit start over and show you what to do with a real violin, okay? So with a real violin, what you're going to do is the same thing, except this will be your full screen. So you have to go ahead and click this. You need to go back to this, and you need to start the video over. So make sure you get your violin in place first. Yeah, my shoulder rest just fell off. I'm going to keep going. Go ahead and hit play. And that's it. You come back here, you stop the recording, and that's it. Now, when you hit submit, what's going to happen is you're going to go to this screen and it will come to me. So it is very important that you understand that. You share it to the video classroom, and then you pick the class, okay? So that is about it. I hope you enjoy and practice and do your tests as good as you can. Hello, I just wanted to show you that actually I get an email every time you submit a video. So I know it's tempting when you're doing the quiz to just right here, just go ahead and click, oh yeah, I just recorded myself, no problem, and hit the next button. But again, I just wanted to show you that I do get an email notification each time right here, and it's important that you make sure to record that video, and I think you will have fun doing it. They're not very long, and yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. If you need help, schedule a time, or just drop in during your scheduled day. Please check the classroom for your scheduled day. All right, thanks a lot.